Hello there and welcome to my channel. Today is day one of my Christmas Decorate with me, and we're on the porch today transforming it into a winter wonderland. If you want to make your space stand out and take them to the next level, Ollny Lights are my go-to for transforming any space into a warm, inviting, cozy vibe that illuminates the ordinary into something magical for the holidays, which I'll share with you in a little bit. But first I want to thank Ollny Lights for collaborating with me in today's video. Welcome to the Cleveland Cottage. I'm Jana and I love all things home and decorating. Thank you for being here today, so let's get started. First, I need to get all the fall decor out of the way, then we'll get started creating that winter wonderland. Before we get started, I wanted to show you my new Ollny Icicle lights. I haven't had icicle lights in many years because they were always tangled and so hard to put up. Who has time for complicated lights? With Ollny, our porch twinkles to life by sunset and in an instant without all that stress. And here's my Ollny lights. And they're packaged very nicely. They slide right out of the box. And they come with an instruction manual. And it comes with a remote control. And it's got on and off. And it's got different timers. And a dimmable switch. And I like this because it's got a waterproof adapter. They Velcro them together so they don't come apart. And now we're going to be putting up the Ollny lights. Let's see how easy it is. I wanted icicle lights to make the porch look like it was draped in snow and icicles. Today is part one of my porch video series. We'll be laying the foundational pieces, getting the lights up on the railing, and using some decor from last year along with thrifted and antique finds and a few things from Hobby Lobby that were 50% off. I needed more decor because we added the bench, table, and a small console table under the television, and I didn't have nearly enough from last year. The Ollny lights were very user-friendly and easy to install. I was so proud of myself because I didn't even have to ask Tom for help this year. I did it by my own self. That's an inside joke with Tom and me because I'm always asking him for help with something. I'm excited to see all the different functions of the Ollny Icicle lights because there are 8 different modes to select from. I appreciate Ollny sponsoring today's video, but even if they hadn't, I planned on buying lights from them anyway because they are so durable, light up everything, and turn on when it starts to get dark. We have the string lights around the inside perimeter of the porch and on the new back fence that Tom built in the previous video. After we get the lights up, I'll start laying the foundation for the winter wonderland that I'm envisioning. Now let's see if I can bring it to life. If you didn't see the haul for today's decor, I hope you'll go back and watch that video. And so here's how the porch looks with the lights and the garland. And now we just have to wait for it to get dark. And I think I'll go back to the store and buy some more garland to go down this side of the rail. I wanted to decorate in a more burgundy wine color, however I couldn't find that color anywhere, so I went with red. Some of the decor has that burgundy color, so I hope it doesn't look like it clashes with the red. Let me know in the comments if you think it goes, or should I keep looking for it. I went with snowmen around the door and on the front porch because I always use the crocheted snowmen that Tom's grandmother knitted, so she is always with us in spirit. I never got to meet her because when our daughter was a baby and we were making our first trip to see her, she passed while we were traveling. However, I did get to talk with her on the phone when we were first married. She didn't get to attend her wedding because she was in poor health and lived in New York. She told Tom that I was a good tomato. I'll always cherish that. I love this angel from the antique store. She is simply stunning, unique, and so much cheaper and nicer than those you find in the big box stores. My goal this year was not to spend a lot, buy locally as best I could, and use some natural items too. I hope to incorporate some natural items into the next video, so I hope you'll subscribe if you haven't, because it's free and it will alert you every time I post. Well, it's starting to get dark, so let's take a look around and see how everything turned out. I'm so excited to see how the porch looks when it gets dark and we turn on the lights, so I hope you'll stick around till the end of the video to see how it looks at night. I love how everything turned out, and I'm already thinking about what I need to fill in the gaps. I know that I need more garland, ribbons, bows, and snow to go around the bottom of the tree. I have to anchor the tree with some bricks before I put out the snow, and I plan to use the 3 glass boxes with the lights and bows around them at the base of it. And here's how the Ollny lights turned out. They're just beautiful and really set off the railing on the porch. And I think I'm going to go back and purchase some more to go along the roof line, because then I think it will set the rest of the house off. But here's what the icicle lights look like. And let's turn on our regular Ollny lights and see how it looks. And here it is with my other Ollny lights. Now we're going to try the different function. It's on steady on. That's sequential. That's the chasing flash. That's twinkle flash. This is the N wave function. Here's the lights in N wave. And this is fade. Now let's try out the combination feature. Now let's dim them. And you can brighten them back up. I kind of like them on the dim mode. I'll leave the link for the Ollny lights in the description box so you can shop and start decorating now. I hope you enjoyed decorating with me today. And until the next time, live life and find what makes you happy. I'll see you next time. Bye.